Hi, my name is Scott Jacobiti. I'm the National Sales Manager for Cable Management Solutions Snake Tray. And just a quick video on our newest entry into our hand-bendable linear cable trays is the Universal Snake Tray. In years past, this has been our go-to product. This is our 201 series tray. Center spine, every 4 inches we have a hoop that's been welded to it. Top of the tray allows to bolt on threaded rod. Great product, but if we needed to go to a wall, per se, we had to have a wall bracket installed on that. So we have developed a newer product, and that is our Universal Snake Tray, which is the 454. Very similar in construction. Again, it's a center spine. Every 3 to 4 inches we have a hoop that's been welded to that. And what's unique about this particular product is that the hoop allows for threaded rod on the top, but it's also been bent 90 degrees so that we can actually take this tray and bolt it directly to the wall as well. So it's both functionalities, a wall mount tray and an overhead hanging solution. The rings are a little bit different as well in that they're round as opposed to square, and it also has this little kick piece on it. There's a little return. What's very unique about that is that when we bend this tray on an inside bend, so if we're going to be pulling our cables on an inside bend, what happens is the cable really wants to go diagonally. Okay, it wants to go path of least resistance, so sometimes it could tend to jump out, and that's true with any cable tray, whether it's snake tray or ladder or runway. This unique design allows for the cable to be pulled in, and as it comes around that corner, it's going to come up into this little return and then drop back down into the cable pathway. It really recycles the cables and allows us to make that inside bend very smooth, very accurate, and will not allow the cables to jump out of the pathway. So extremely great product for renovation work where there's no defined cable pathway. We can put these trays into areas where it may be inaccessible or have very little access, and know that we can always pull our cables back and forth. So during the installation phase, if we put a pull tape in here, we know that day 2 and day 3, we can always bring cables back and forth here and not have them jump out of the tray. Okay, so it's a little bit of a new twist on some of our existing products. This is Universal Snake Tray, and it's our 454 series.